If you drink energy drinks every day, what happens to your body? First, you develop heart problems. One can of energy drink has as much caffeine as 2 shots of espresso and may have as much as 10 sugar cubes. Such high levels of caffeine and sugar can spike your heart rate, leading to arrhythmia and heart problems. You can also experience sleep problems. The caffeine in energy drinks can disrupt sleep cycles, making you feel tired during the day and have trouble falling asleep at night. Second, you may have kidney pain. Excessive consumption of energy drinks can increase the stress on your kidneys, leading to long-term kidney problems. You may also damage your teeth. Some studies have shown that the acids in energy drinks may erode tooth enamel, leading to dental problems and sensitivity. In addition, you run the risk of addiction. The high caffeine content may make you dependent on these drinks, needing them more and more to maintain your energy state. Follow me to learn more about health. If you drink salt water every morning on an empty stomach, what happens to your body? It's a secret the doctor will never tell you. Smoother skin. Sea salt contains various minerals that can enhance skin quality by helping to eliminate toxins, making your skin smoother. Improved oral health. Salt water has bactericidal properties that can combat bacteria in your mouth and strengthen your gums. Detoxification. Salt water helps balance the ions inside and outside your cells, promoting your body's natural detoxification process. But that's not all. Faster wound healing. The calcium and potassium in salt can strengthen fragile nails and speed up the healing of minor wounds due to its antibacterial effects. Stronger immune system. Salt contains zinc, a crucial mineral that boosts your immune system and helps fight infections. Improve digestion. Salt water can stimulate the secretion of gastric juices, help digestion, and relieve constipation. Learn more about health with me and share this video with your best friend. Subscribe and like for more health tips.